Hey everybody, it's Uzi from the Option Selling Institute. In this week's video, let's go over some of the action from last week in the Discord, and let's go over two trades. One is an earnings trade, and one is a futures position on live cattle that we just opened up last week. We had one expire on Friday, and we opened up a new one on Friday on the same future, which is live cattle. I like the chart, so we did a strangle on it, and I'm going to show you what we did. All right, let's get into some of the action. Right away, we're going to go over some of the trades that we closed. So you're going to see we closed 13 trades. All of them were winners. Five of which were earnings trades, all winners. We opened six new trades for the week, one of which is a futures options position, and we did have some new members join the Discord. Every week we're getting new members. The word is finally starting to get out there. We are one of the top, I'd say top five that I'm aware of out there as far as Discords for what we do. All right, let's look at some of the regular trades, which include the full member bonus and some spreads trades. We had Avago. We closed a couple of them for 77%, 62%. We had the live cattle that we let expire, 100% premium capture there. We had put spread on Avago for 65%. And, some other stuff. CLSK we traded, and ANF we had to put spread on for 40%. Yeah, we had one of them was a 1 day trade, and they range all the way up to that future trade, which is a 28-day trade. Now that wound up being about 10% on, it was 100% premium capture, but 10% on your risk capital. So that's huge. 10% in 1 month, 28 days on your risk capital. That's the kind of trades that we're putting out there in the Discord. All of our earnings trades were able to we let them actually expire for 100%. So every single one of our earnings trades, we had five of them. And you might say, well, Jim, Uzi, how come only five? Well, because the screening process produced only five that passed the test, and that's why we're getting 100% winners. It's that simple. So that's what we'd like to try to do. We opened up some new positions. You can see some of them here, and then these are the current positions we actually came into the week with. We've got a couple of nice positions on MSTR and MSTX. And we put on something as on a spec trade on MSTR where if it works out, it's going to be part of a video. It's going to be like huge profits. All right, let's get into the first trade. The first trade was on Marvell for earnings, and the analysis said that we should do a put ratio spread. So here's the day before the earnings, and then here's the day after earnings. Now, what we did with the trade was we did a 1x2 bull put ratio spread. So what we did is we sold a naked put, okay, below the put debit spread that we had purchased. So it's a 1x2. You buy an 85 put, you sell 284 puts. Now, if the price stays above these strikes, you let it expire like we did for 100%. If it falls below, well, then we can sell the long put for profits and roll the short put and turn that into extra premium as we roll it until the price would come back above, or take assignment and then start the wheel process. But we got 35 cents or $35 per contract, and we were able to keep 100% of that because the price level never challenged us. And you can see this bull flag now that's actually forming in Marvell ever since it had reported its earnings. I like bull put ratio spreads. When the analysis suggests to go with it, we do. And like I said, you can do 10 of these contracts, you've got $350 in basically an overnight trade. All right. All right. The next trade I want to go over with you is the setup that I have going on with live cattle. And what I like about that is the chart and where it's sitting. And you can see the current prices right here, sitting right above the 50-day moving average. We've got the 200-day moving average right below. We've got Bollinger Bands that are, showing that it's in a sideways trend at this point. Now it looks like it could break out, and if it breaks out, it might head up north because it's been in a consolidating trend here for a little while. It has major resistance though, as you can see noted here with this trend line, but it also has major support down below. So we did a strangle where we sold the 175 put and we sold the 198 call. I'm going to show you how the math works out on that next. We took in a nice premium. So on this trade, we took in 0.225, and then with the live cattle multiplier, it's actually $90 per contract using only $1,005. So that works out to be a little over 9% on your money in 28 days. Now, these are the type of trades I'd put out for our members. Again, the risk level, I always include that as well. So, it's a futures trade. So that's a max level. But I have an assessment of risk on every single trade. You get that which with each trade all clearly outlined for you. And there's no mistaking that what we're dealing with as far as the risk is concerned. I want to share a member review with you because it's so nice. I never expected to find such a nice review because I really don't check my reviews too often. But here's one that showed up, and I didn't even know it was there. But I read it, and I was like, I got to share this with everyone. So this is a member. He's been with me now 19 days. Okay, and he's wrote this 3 days ago, and he or she says that he's experienced different trade alert services for many years, or for years. Okay, and this is by far the best service, especially for option sellers. That Uzi's Discord rooms are extremely well organized. You wouldn't get lost as in most other Discord services where they have a million channels and a lot of riffraff going on. We are all business. We want to make money, have a good time, but we want to just make our money and then book our profits. The trade alerts are separated into a number of different rooms, correct? Every one of the trade alerts are clearly written and articulated that even rookies cannot misunderstand. Again, just a great review. He goes on to say that my understanding of the markets and my prudent approach is stress-free for a stress-free way to grow your wealth steadily, consistently, and for sure. He strongly recommends. So that's one of the nicest reviews I've had in a little while, and I always welcome new reviews. Again, I'm not writing these. My members are writing these. If you're on the fence, come check us out. What have you got to lose? Even if you spend a month with us and you say, hey, it's not for me, or it's a strategy. The strategies are not your style or whatever. Fine. What'd you lose? If anything, you'll make money, and you might learn something along the way as well because we try to make it educational. All right. So with that, if there's anything else I can help you guys with, let me know. Here's how you reach out to me on Twitter. Here's my Twitter link. And then if you want to sign up, give us a shot. This is my WAP link. We get new members every week. Not every day, but every week. And these are the kind of reviews we're getting. We don't have anyone canceling. As far as I check my results, I don't. No one, once they come, they want to stay. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for this week. If I can help you out in any other way, you reach out to me, and how to reach out to me now with these two links. And I'm also putting out shorts, so keep your eyes out for shorts so I can get some quick messages out without having to go through longer videos like this. But yeah, check out my short section too. And if you can, leave me some comments, give a like and a follow. That always helps the channel. I'm trying to get the channel off the ground and reach out to more traders out there and show them how we can make that money, even if you work a full-time job. You don't have to be by your computer every day like I do for a living, but you can do it and make side money on the side. All right, that's it. This is Uzi. Have a great rest of your weekend. I will see everyone out there in the trading universe. Good luck this week. I hope you all make money. And if I can help you do that, be happy to. Okay. Take care, everybody.